All right, welcome back to this week's video. I am now in Kansas. I've already moved into my van, and I started this road trip on April 1st. The main reason why I haven't been able to record any videos is because my mother's health conditions declined rapidly. So I've been working to get her back into a nursing home that could help her with her health care. Because I didn't have the time to build out the van like I expected, this is now a no-build van, and I'll give you guys a tour in another video. But today's video is going to be about the panels that I put up, the thermal panels, and how I came to put those together. Let me show you guys an example. So as you guys can see here, that is a Reflectix panel that I put in, and it's actually tucked in to the lining of the van. And that's that side. And the doors back there, you can see on the side door, and behind my book bag here, there's a black one. Okay, so how I made my thermal Reflectix panels, you need four things. And I researched how to get the template cut out from cardboard to a lot of other methods, and I couldn't figure it out. I finally found a video hidden in the interwebs, and they used what's called parchment paper. It's like a baking paper, but it's see-through, and it's actually it has good strength. So you're going to need parchment paper, scissors, blue painter's tape, and an adhesive that's going to whatever design you want to put on there, on your Reflectix, or you could just cut out Reflectix, put it in without, like I did, the material on it. Now, how I did it is I cut out a sheet of the parchment and I put it on the the, the panel I want to cut out, and then I painter's taped it along that panel. I took a razor blade and then I cut just a little bit bigger than the actual lip where it's going to tuck into, and then I cut with the razor blade out. And that was one of the best things about the parchment paper, is that it's see-through and cheap. All right. So after I cut out the template, I tested the template in the area that I wanted to install it, and it tucked in really good. I then took it out and I added my material, and then I just spray adhesive on the Reflectix, and then I added my material that I wanted on it. I went with black and white camo for the inside. If I ever want to change it again, I just take that panel out because it's not installed permanently. But I just take that Reflectix out, and I could actually put another material on top of it. And it came out great. I want to thank everyone for watching, and hopefully this gives someone out there an easier way to make these Reflectix panels with a template using parchment paper. I will be putting out another video. As you can see, I got to do a walkthrough with the van, and I have done other things too. I've recorded some of it, and I'm just going to replay these videos for you guys here in the future. But stick around, and I hope to see you guys again soon.